Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you guys the places that I visited during my recent trip to Munnar. I was supposed to go to Kumarakom, but then due to various reasons, that trip got cancelled and instead I ended up going to Munnar. I drove all the way from Alleppey to Munnar, and on the way, me and my husband, we stopped to have some tender coconut water. The moment we entered the Ghat section towards Munnar, the climate, it suddenly became very cold, and the view throughout the entire drive was amazing. You get to see a lot of waterfalls, and you also get to see so many tea plantation. Just check out the view, how beautiful it is. And suddenly, it started to rain, and the entire drive was pure bliss. The first place I went to was the Chinnakanal Waterfalls. There are so many other waterfalls in Munnar that you should check out. The next place I went to was the Kerala Spice Garden. Now, Munnar is very famous for its spices, and there are so many spice gardens here in Munnar. Now, the staffs here, they take you around the farm and they explain what are the medicinal benefits of each and every plant and what are the Ayurvedic products that are being made from those plants. They also explain the process involved in making those products and the health benefits of those products. And finally, after showing around the farm, the staffs, they'll take you to their outlet, and if you're interested, you can purchase their products. Now, before you could spend money on these products, just make sure it's really worth the money you're spending. And the next place I went to was the elephant camp. Since it was raining that particular day, this place was closed. And finally, I went to this Lokhat tea factory. This is one of the famous tea factory here in Munnar. Here, the staff here would take you around the tea factory, and they'll be and she'll be explaining the various process involved in making different varieties of tea, like how black tea is made, how green tea is made. Then you also get to do a lot of tea tasting. And finally, after seeing around the factory, you can go to the outlet and purchase the products if you're interested. This is like a museum. This is a museum which was inside the factory. And I was hungry, so I had a hot cup of tea along with some momos and I enjoyed it with the rain. Now, I was in Munnar only for a day and it was continuously raining. So, since landslides are pretty common here in Munnar, we were advised not to drive around. So, I didn't get to see a lot of places. But from whatever I saw, I really loved this place, and I'm hoping to visit Munnar again. And that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in another video. Until then, take care. Bye.